Hello students, welcome back to computer class. Today we'll learn about the parts of computer. You know, as we have different parts in our body, the same way computer has different parts. So let's start. Now you see the pictures. It contains different parts of our body like eye, knee, foot, leg, fingernails, mouth. The same way computer has its parts. Computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. This is monitor. It shows the display. Just spell after me: MONITOR. Monitor. So, what is the function of monitor? It shows the display. Whatever you type, whatever you draw, you can see on monitor. This is CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. Like you have brain, you remember poems, whatever your ma'am teaches you in the class. You remember, na? So same way CPU saves all the file. You draw something in paintbrush, you type. Whenever you save file, it goes to CPU. So CPU is the brain of computer. Now this is keyboard. KEYBOARD. Okay, now say after me: KEY, key, BOARD, board, keyboard. So if you feel the spelling is long, so what you can do, you can break into two parts: key and board. Keyboard. So what is keyboard? Keyboard is a part of computer that is used for typing. Now you can see there are keys where alphabets are written. ABC you can see, numbers, special characters. So keyboard is used for typing, alphabets and numbers, special characters. Now you can easily recognize this picture. This is a mouse. Mouse has two buttons. Now this is used to point and select the object. So mouse is used to point and select the objects. You can draw pictures using mouse. You can select object using mouse, and you can also play games using mouse. So let's learn the spelling. MOUSE, mouse. So now you say after me: MOUSE, mouse. Very good. Now learn the spellings of parts of computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. Okay, dictation time. Now be ready with your notebook. Write today's date, your name. I'll give you 5 words. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and your dictation starts. Okay, here the dictation starts. Are you ready with your notebook and pencil? Okay, write first word, computer. The first word is computer. Write neatly. Yes. Now the second word is monitor. The second word is monitor. I hope you have written monitor. Now the third word is, guess what is this? I am the brain of computer. I am the brain of computer. I save the file. Yes. I hope you have written. I'll not tell the spelling. Yes. Now the next word is keyboard. keyboard. As I told you, break this word into two parts. First write the spelling of key, then board. Keyboard. And the last word is, yes, mouse. The last word is mouse. So now I repeat all the words. Now see, computer. First word is computer. Second is monitor. Third is the brain of computer. Now guess what word it is? Yes, I hope you have written right. Next word is keyboard. Keyboard. And the last is mouse. Now the spelling will be displayed on the screen. You will check and then you will correct it yourself. Okay students, I hope you have done well. If one or two spellings are incorrect, rewrite those spellings 3 times and learn. In next class we'll discuss. Bye bye. Keep learning and subscribe the channel. Click to learn for more updates. Thank you.